Hey there! In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini first aid kit to help you stay prepared for life's little surprises at home or on the go. Welcome to Best Product, where we make your buying decisions easier. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Rhino Rescue Mini First Aid Kit. The Rhino Rescue Mini First Aid Kit is a smart and essential companion that gives you quick peace of mind on all your outdoor adventures. This water-resistant and ultralight design slips easily into your pack or pocket, so you are always ready for those little surprises that can happen on the trail. Accidents can pop up anytime, whether you are out backpacking or just enjoying a casual day hike, and having this kit on hand means you can handle minor cuts, scrapes, or discomfort without needing to head back early. The Rhino Rescue Mini First Aid Kit is specially built for multi-sport athletes who stay active in all kinds of environments, from hiking and climbing to cycling, camping, and kayaking. What makes it so practical is its compact and lightweight build that adds almost no weight to your load, yet contains everything you need for common trailside issues. The water-resistant materials keep the contents protected even if you get caught in a quick shower or splash through a stream, so your supplies stay clean and ready when you need them most. The thoughtful organization inside makes it fast to find exactly what you are looking for without digging around. It is packed with reliable basics that cover everyday situations, so you can clean, protect, and treat minor injuries right away and keep moving with confidence. The Rhino Rescue Mini First Aid Kit works beautifully across so many activities because it is made to perform no matter what sport or adventure you choose. Whether you are tackling a tough climb, pedaling through a long bike route, or setting up camp for the night, this little kit stays out of the way until the moment it becomes incredibly useful. Its everyday carry size means you can toss it in your day pack, hydration vest, or even a jacket pocket and forget about it until you need that extra layer of preparation. The durable construction holds up to regular use and travel while keeping everything neatly contained and protected. Overall, the Rhino Rescue Mini First Aid Kit is one of those simple upgrades that makes every outdoor trip feel safer and more enjoyable. Its ultralight water-resistant design and smart focus on real-world needs help you explore further with the confidence that you are prepared for whatever comes your way on the trail. Next, at number 4, is the General Medi Mini First Aid Kit. The General Medi Mini First Aid Kit is a compact and reliable solution that keeps you prepared for minor emergencies wherever life takes you. This 110-piece small first aid kit packs a surprising amount of essential supplies into a lightweight and easy-to-carry size that fits perfectly in your car, backpack, desk drawer, or travel bag. What makes it so useful is the thoughtful collection of quality items designed for real-world situations. You get a solid variety of bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, ointments, and tools that let you quickly clean, protect, and treat common cuts, scrapes, blisters, or sprains before they become bigger problems. The included emergency foil blanket helps retain body heat during unexpected chills or shock, while the sturdy scissors make it simple to cut tape or clothing when needed. The General Medi Mini First Aid Kit shines because of its incredible versatility. Keep one in your vehicle for road trips, toss it into your camping gear for outdoor weekends, or store it at home, in the office, or in your hiking pack. It handles everything from family outings and workplace mishaps to travel adventures and everyday accidents without taking up much space. The compact design uses durable materials to protect the contents, and the clear organization inside lets you find exactly what you need in seconds, even under stress. No more digging through a messy bag or wishing you had basic supplies when something small happens. Whether you are heading out for a weekend camping trip, commuting daily, or simply want peace of mind at home, the General Medi Mini First Aid Kit offers smart coverage for those minor incidents that do not require a hospital visit. Its comprehensive 110 pieces and portable size make it a practical addition to any active lifestyle, helping you respond confidently and keep moving forward. This little kit proves that being prepared does not have to be bulky or complicated. Coming in at number 3, we have the Thrive Mini First Aid Kit. The Thrive Mini First Aid Kit is a smart, lightweight companion that stays ready for those unexpected moments when you need it most. It is easy to bring along during evacuations or any sudden emergency, adding almost no weight to your pack or bag while giving you essential peace of mind. What really stands out is how tough this little kit is built. The water-resistant ripstop nylon exterior holds up well in almost any situation, whether you are caught in rain, tossed around in a vehicle, or pushing through rough outdoor conditions. It protects the contents reliably so you can count on the supplies being clean and usable when you need them. The compact size makes the Thrive Mini First Aid Kit incredibly versatile for storage. You can keep it in your home, office, glove box, or trunk without taking up much space at all. This means it is always close by whether you are at work, on a road trip, or heading out for a weekend adventure. One of the most thoughtful details is the extra room inside for additional supplies. The design leaves space so you can easily customize it with your own medical items, medications, or extra bandages to match your specific needs and lifestyle. This flexibility turns a standard mini kit into something truly personal and complete. The Thrive Mini First Aid Kit strikes a perfect balance between being small enough to carry daily and capable enough to handle real situations. Its durable water-resistant construction, portable size, and customizable space make it a practical choice for families, drivers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who wants simple preparedness without the bulk. Once you start carrying this kit, you will wonder how you ever went without it on your everyday journeys and bigger adventures. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Atickyaid Mini First Aid Kit. The Atickyaid Mini First Aid Kit is a compact and reliable solution that keeps you prepared for minor emergencies wherever you go. This 120-piece Mini First Aid Kit offers a professionally designed collection of premium supplies in a sturdy and easy-to-carry package that fits perfectly into daily life. What makes it stand out is how lightweight and portable it feels. The Atickyaid Mini First Aid Kit has a suitable size that slips easily into your bag, glove compartment, desk drawer, or backpack without adding bulk. Thanks to its carabiner design, you can quickly attach it to your hiking pack or gear so it travels with you on adventures, commutes, or family outings. The kit uses premium EVA waterproof material that protects everything inside from moisture and wear, so your supplies stay clean and ready even if conditions get messy. The sturdy case keeps all the contents safe from damage while maintaining excellent organization, making it simple to find what you need in a hurry. Inside you will find a comprehensive selection of 120 pieces of quality medical supplies. It includes plenty of adhesive bandages, gauze pads, cleaning wipes, and essential tools like scissors and tweezers to handle common cuts, scrapes, blisters, or small injuries right away. This thoughtful variety covers a wide range of everyday situations without overwhelming the compact design. The Atickyaid Mini First Aid Kit works beautifully in so many places, from your home and workplace to schools, vehicles, and outdoor activities. Its compact and well-organized layout means you can respond quickly to minor incidents and keep going with confidence instead of cutting your plans short. With its durable waterproof construction, smart portability, and complete set of supplies, the Atickyaid Mini First Aid Kit is one of those practical items that brings real peace of mind. Whether you are heading to work, taking a road trip, or exploring the outdoors, this little kit stays out of the way until the moment it proves incredibly useful, helping you stay safe and prepared for whatever comes your way. And finally, our top pick for the Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit. The Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit is a smart portable companion that brings real peace of mind to your outdoor adventures and everyday life. This 150-piece portable first aid kit packs everything you need into a compact and lightweight design that is easy to bring along wherever you go. The Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit features a sturdy hard-shell case made from durable EVA material that protects all your supplies from damage and keeps them neatly organized. This thoughtful setup means you can find exactly what you need in seconds, even when things get hectic on the trail or during a sudden mishap. Inside, you get a comprehensive collection of 150 essential first aid supplies carefully chosen to handle common cuts, scrapes, blisters, sprains, and other minor incidents. From adhesive bandages and gauze pads to cleaning wipes and basic tools like scissors and tweezers, the kit covers a wide range of situations so you can respond quickly and confidently without having to rush back early from your plans. What makes the Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit especially practical is how compact and lightweight it feels. The hard case is tough enough to withstand bumps and weather while staying small enough to toss into your backpack, glove box, hiking bag, or even a jacket pocket. It is perfect for anyone who loves enjoying outdoor activities like hiking, camping, cycling, or climbing, and wants that extra layer of preparation. The Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit strikes an excellent balance between being easy to carry and genuinely useful when it counts. Its sturdy protection and smart organization let you focus on having fun instead of worrying about what might go wrong. Whether you are heading out for a weekend trip with friends or keeping it ready at home or in the car, this kit delivers reliable coverage in a pack-and-go format that simply works. Its thoughtful design makes it a go-to choice for families, adventurers, and anyone who values being prepared without the bulk. Stay ready for anything, big or small. Check the price link in the description to grab the right mini first aid kit for your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart gear reviews and top picks.